With World Environment Day coming up on the 5th of June, we have a simple activity we would like to show you. All you need is some cotton brown pads, green food colouring to represent the land, and blue food colouring to represent the water, and 2 droppers, one for each colour.
Where do I put it now?
On the pads. You can put the blue one on there too, to represent the water. Do you know what you're making? What are you making? What do we live on?
Australia?
We do live in Australia, but Australia is a part of Earth. We live on Earth.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.